Hello guys, how are you? Nice to meet you here. Today, I want to share the most basic of Python programming, which is writing a program in Python. So, it is very easy. Just type what you want in Python. It is for example. So, I want to type print and add brackets. So, it is a quote mark. I want to add hello. You can call me Fras in quote marks and round bracket. And now you just add question mark and round bracket too. Next, enter. So you can see the result in my screen. Done, and that's all. It shall be noted, the function of print round brackets is for displaying your data to the console screen. Okay, hope this video is useful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.